Guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install MySQL Community Server 9 Innovation on Windows operating system. So first here in Google search box right there MySQL. Then you can go mysql.com site, and now let's scroll down. You can see this is your download section. Inside you can get here MySQL Community Server. And now you can see here MySQL Community Server 9 Innovation that's come there. So this available for this here you can see, and this available for Windows operating system. You can select your operating system this place, Windows that I'm using, and now you can get here three files, MSI, zip and zip archive. You can try to use anyone, but there I'm going to download the MSI file. So here you can see 1317 MB is the size, zip archive 285 MB. And here MySQL 9 Win. So this is a 64-bit operating system that's for this download that's completed. Let's click on this show in folder. So this is here. After that you need to double click on this MSI file, and now you can see welcome to MySQL MySQL Server 9.0 setup wizard. Click on this next, and here accept next, or you can select anyone, but there I'm going to select complete. And now here you can see ready to install MySQL Server 9. So let's click on this install button. Now you need to click on this yes button and installing MySQL. So MySQL Server 9.0 setup. So now here you can see run configuration that's come there. So let's click on this finish, on this yes button, and this you can get this all steps are there. Click on next. So this location, this is the data directory where MySQL is going to install. Click on next. Here root user password you need to give. So let's give the password, and now let's click on this add user. So giving the add username Adam, give the password. Now after giving here, let's click on this OK. User that added, click on next, and here server file permission, yes, grant full access Windows Server service. Click on next, and there you need to select here create data, create world database, two database that should be created. Click on next, and now you need to click on this execute. This is the here second last steps and writing configuration, and here starting service. So this all steps are there. So applying configuration. So starting the server configuration, that's done, almost done here. So now you can see the configuration of MySQL Server 9.0 was successful. Click next to continue. Click on next, and now click on finish. So MySQL Server 9 successfully installed there. Then now there in search box right there MySQL, then you can see here this app. So this takes some time to come there, this app, if you write MySQL there. So you need to click on this MySQL 9.0 command line. So here you need to give the root user password. So this here server 9.0 that install, this the version is there, and MySQL that's come there. Thereafter let's write so databases. You can see this all database that's come there. So this all Sakila and Word. So now using their Sakila. So use Sakila database that's change. After that inside going to display all the tables. So for this, let's write so databases. So this all database that's sorry. This all table wanna display. Okay, not database. So tables. So here you can see this all tables that's present there inside. Now let's use here. If you want to see the content of actor, right there, select start from actor. Now press enter. Here you can see this is the actor content that's displaying. So this is the most simplest way we can install MySQL Community Server 900 innovation on Windows operating system. So I hope guys this video is the helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.